Bật to tiếng cho.
Hello, hi there.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, so for tonight, let me check first if can you see me clearly?
Yes, I can see you.
Okay, thank you. How about can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, thank you so much. So before we start our lesson, let me introduce first myself. My name is Teacher Karen, and I am from the beautiful country of the Philippines. And now, may I ask what is your name?
My name is Linda.
Linda? Can
Yes,
Okay, wow, what a beautiful name. How old are you now?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay, you are 8 years old. So, can you say it again? I am 8 years old.
I am 8 years old.
Okay, so are you ready to learn about English with teacher Karen?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So for tonight, we are going to tackle about the lesson 6, which is all about the different types of transportation. So, specifically asking you a question, do you usually take the train to work? But before that, let me ask you, I believe you are still a student, right?
Yes.
So let me revise this question. Do you usually take the train to school? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so I believe you have an idea about what is a train. Do you know what is a train, Linda?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So for tonight, you are expected to improve your ability to talk about different types of transport. So, are you positive that we can achieve these objectives tonight?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, to start with our lesson, let's have this activity. So, um, am I too fast?
Yes.
Am I too fast? Okay. So please bear with me. I will make it slowly so that you can understand my speaking, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So let us start with this activity. So what you are going to do is I have here pictures, and then you are going to tell me what can you say about in this picture. And after that, I have also here phrases, and you should listen me attentively because you will repeat the phrases after me. Okay?
Yes.
Am I clear?
Take a ferry.
Okay, very good. You're a brilliant student. Next, we have here a picture. What can you say about this picture?
Is ride a bike or ride a bicycle?
Yes, the girl is riding a bicycle. So we can say ride a bicycle. Can you say it again?
Ride a bicycle.
Okay, very good. How about this picture?
Ride a car.
Drive.
Drive.
Yes, very good. The girl is driving a car. So we can say drive a car. You're so brilliant. How about this picture?
Mm, go to the bus.
Yes, this is a bus. And we can say take the bus. Can you say that again?
Takes the bus.
Take the bus. Very good. For this picture, can you say something about it?
It's a taxi.
Yes, the boy is taking a taxi.
Taxi.
Very good. And we can say, take a taxi.
Take a taxi.
All right. Good job, Linda. How about this picture?
Take a train.
Wow, amazing. Again, take the train. Can you say
Take
it
the
again?
train.
All right. How about this picture?
Walk.
Walk? Okay, very good. The boy is walking and we will say walk. Can you say it again?
Walk.
Walk. And for this picture,
Ride a motorbike.
what? Again?
Ride a motorbike.
Motorbike. Instead of saying motorbike, we can say ride a motorcycle. Can you say it
Ride
again?
a motorcycle.
All right. Very good, Linda. So, in order for me to know if you really understood those pictures, let's have here a practice. So, I have here pictures again, and what you are going to do is you are going to tell me what you see in each picture. Is it all right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So for the first picture, what
Take
is
a ferry.
wow, amazing. Next, we have
Ride a motorcycle.
ride a motorcycle. Very good. For the next picture,
Take a train.
take a train. Good job, Linda. Next one.
Take a taxi.
Take a taxi. Very good. And for this one,
Take a bus.
take a bus. And for this,
Ride a bicycle.
ride a bicycle. And for the second to the last,
Walk.
walk. And for this one,
Drive a car.
drive a car. Yay! Fantastic, Linda. I am happy that you have learned something about that pictures. So, for now, can you think any more types of transport?
Yes.
What? What are those? Can you tell me? None? None so far?
Ah. It
Okay.
is a can a plane and a
Yes, a plane. It is an example also of a transport.
yes.
Very good, Linda. So now we will proceed with the next activity, which is the vocabulary. So, are you excited?
Yes.
Wow, amazing, Linda. So, I will or I am going to play the audio in each word. And then what you are going to do is you are to listen attentively and you will repeat each word.
Yes.
Okay. So, let us start.
Yes.
Okay. So, first word we have,
Crowded.
can you say it again?
Crowded.
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 Okay, very good. So, do you know what is the word crowded mean?
Uh, okay.
All right. So, the word crowded, Linda, this is an adjective which means having too many people. So, I have here an example for you. For this picture, we can see that there are many or too many people. And that is why this is an example of a place that is crowded. Now, did you understand what is a crowded?
Yes.
All right, very good. So, for the next word, listen attentively.
Comfortable.
The word is
Comfortable.
comfortable. Again,
Comfortable.
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 All right, so the word is comfortable. Again,
Comfortable.
all right. So, do you know what is the word comfortable mean?
I don't know.
You don't know? All right, so that is okay. So, comfortable, Linda, this is also an adjective which means providing comfort and relaxation. So, for our example here, we have a picture. What can you see in that picture?
I can see a girl and to see inside.
Yes, and she is smiling, right?
Yeah.
So, we can say that she is comfortable in that seat. Okay?
Yes.
And for now, let me ask you, are you comfortable in your seat right now?
Mm,
No?
no.
Why?
Mm, I don't know.
Okay, you can sit properly so that you feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Okay? Thank you, Linda. And for the next word, we have
Fast.
Fast.
fast. Very good. So, do you know what is the word fast means?
It's run fast or fastest.
Yes, very
A
good.
cheetah is run fastest.
Yes, cheetah runs faster. Okay, so you already know what is the word fast means, right?
Okay.
Okay, so next we have here the next word.
Slow.
Slow.
Again,
Slow.
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 All right, very good. So do you know what this word means?
Slow is like a turtle.
Yes, very good. A turtle is um slower than the what can you think of an animal that is
Cheetah.
yeah, that is very good, Linda. Now, next word we have, please listen attentively.
Expensive.
Expensive.
Okay, the word is expensive. Can you say it again?
Expensive.
Expensive. Can you say it again, Linda?
Expensive.
Expensive. Again,
Expensive.
again, expensive.
Expensive.
All right, so you have difficulty with the sound X. Again, Linda, please. Expensive.
Expensive.
Wow, amazing, Linda. So, do you know what is the word expensive mean?
I don't know.
You don't know. That is okay. So, expensive, Linda, is an adjective which means uh costing a lot of money. So, for our example here, What is this? Can you
It's
say?
in the gym.
Yes, very good. It's a gym. And for our example, the membership fees at this gym is very expensive, meaning it costs a lot of money. All right? Did you understand? Linda, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have a phone, Linda? You have? So may I ask if your phone is expensive?
Oh, yes.
Wow. So your phone
And
is
in my house, it have for computer. It's a mini.
okay. So can you say the word expensive
Yes.
again? Can you repeat after me? Expensive.
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 Again, please emphasize the sound expensive.
Expensive.
Amazing. Thank you, Linda. And for the next word, we have
Cheap.
yes, cheap. So do you know what is the word cheap means?
Cheap is uh in the afternoon today I is to learn in Clevi and I know chips. But in here I is don't know to it.
Okay, Linda. The word cheap that we tackled is not a food. This is an opposite with the word expensive. So if we say expensive, Linda, it costs much money, right?
Yes.
But when we say cheap, this means not costing much money. Did,
Yes.
did you understand the difference between the two?
Okay.
All right, very good, Linda. So, next word we have
Convenient.
can you say that?
Convenient.
Con conven
Convenient.
convenient.
Again, convenient.
Convenient.
Again, convenient.
Convenient.
All right, very good. So, do you know what convenient means?
Yes.
All right. So, convenient, Linda, this means that you are working or fitting in well with a person's needs or plans. So, right now, is our time tonight convenient with you to have our class?
Uh now.
It's not convenient with you?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry, Linda. But is it okay with you that we are having our class tonight?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Linda. Next word we have
On time.
On time.
very good. So, do you have any questions about these words, Linda?
No.
None so far. Very good. So, let us proceed with our next activity. So, can you tell me from those words which are positive? For you, which words are positive? Hello, Linda.
Okay.
Which words are positive?
I'll fast,
Fast, yes, very good. Another,
slow,
again,
slow.
Slow, is that a positive? Are you sure?
No.
All right. Can you say another word that is a positive?
Convenient.
Again, what is the word?
Convenient.
This is convenient.
Convenient.
All right. Good job, Linda. Another. What else?
Is cheap.
Cheap. Yes, that could be a positive word. Another.
Crowd.
Crowded.
Yeah.
Is that a positive, Linda? Are you sure?
It's comfortable.
Comfortable. Again, comfortable.
Comfortable.
Again,
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
it's not table, table. Again,
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
again, please listen attentively.
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
All right, the word is comfortable. Do you have any question, Linda?
Teacher,
Yes?
I can draw it with me. Màu xanh.
What?
Here with
Oh, what is that? Please do not write anything, Linda. Okay, let's proceed with our lesson. So, I have also another vocabulary here, Linda. And the same thing with the previous activity. I will play the audio in each word, and then you have to listen attentively so that you can repeat these words correctly. All right?
temple.
Again,
Temple.
wait. Please listen first attentively.
Temple.
Temple.
Yeah, that's the word, temple. So do you know what is a temple, Linda? No? So a temple, Linda.
Market, home, school, beach, and work. I know it.
What did you say again? What is a temple?
What's supermarket, beach, school, home, and work. I know it.
Okay, so but my question, Linda, is do you know what is a temple? No? Okay, a temple, Linda, is a building where people go to pray or worship in some religions. So take a look in this picture, Linda. This is an example of a temple. Linda,
Yeah.
this is an example of a temple.
It's very beautiful.
Yes, it's very beautiful. So next word,
Supermarket.
can you say that again?
Supermarket.
Supermarket. Again, Linda, please.
Supermarket.
Yes, very good, Linda. Do you know what is a supermarket?
It's with a place you can buy many things in it.
Yes. Very good,
It's many
Linda.
food many toys and have many things in it.
Okay, thank you so much, Linda. You have the idea. So, when we say supermarket, it is a large store that sells food and common household items. So, take a look in this picture, Linda. What can you see in that picture?
I can see a mom and a child is to buy many fruit in the supermarket.
Yes, very good. Next one.
Center.
Did you hear that?
City center.
City center.
City center.
Again, can you say that, Linda?
City center.
All right, city center. So, do you know what is a city center?
I know it's one a city. A center. I don't know it.
Okay, so a city center, Linda, this is the busiest part of the city that has lots of shops, businesses, and other buildings. So that is a city center.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, I have here an example of a city center, Linda. Would you like to see it?
Yeah.
This is an example of a city center.
I can know in my city in Vietnam, and it's very many a car, a bus, many a motorbike, and the motorbike I don't like it because it's very loud and very big, and I don't like it.
All right, you are living in a city center.
And I know my friend is live in the building, and is a very 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 a very long building, and I like to come it. And one day I go to my friend house to happy birthday with she, and it's very have fruit, very have very many delicious food are many delicious fish
Okay,
or
thank you so
rice.
much, Linda. So let us proceed with the next word. Can you listen it attentively?
Beach.
All right. So do you like to go to beach?
Yes.
Oh
The beach
yes.
is have a water. I like to go to it, but I don't to go to it in here because I took, I go to the many place in my hometown, but go to beach I is no to go eat.
Okay. So did you experience having a swimming in the beach?
But I go to the place is very good, and with my friend, my grandparent, and my parent, my sister, and my brother. It's very wow.
Can you see the picture?
Yes, I can see.
So can you say something about that?
I can see a shoe is to put the one thing on the beach to in the here.
In fact, it
Yeah.
could be she is collecting shells on the beach, right?
Yes.
Okay, so do you know what is a beach already?
Yes.
Next.
School.
School.
Okay, so You are a student, right? So you are going to school.
Yes, the school is my house too. It's my house too. I like my school and it have many friends or best friends.
All right. I am happy that you have a lot or many best friends in your school. So next,
Home.
Home.
home. So do you know what
Home
is
is
a
my
home?
house. I sit in my table in my home.
All right. Very good, Linda. You are such a brilliant student. How about this?
Convenience. What
Again,
is
please listen attentively to teacher. Convenience store.
with me?
Wait, let's read first the first word. Okay?
Convenience store.
Wow, amazing, Linda. Convenience store. So, do you know what is a convenience store?
With
Do you know what is a convenience store?
it's a place like a supermarket. It have many things in it and you can buy it.
Yes, a convenience store, Linda. It's like a supermarket, but it is a smaller one rather than a supermarket. Am I clear?
Yes, I go to in my hometown. It have many with me many cake. I have here. Wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So, can you see the picture, Linda?
Do you know
Can you see the
pencil
pic?
case?
Can you see the picture?
Yes, I know.
So
I can see.
that is
I
an
can see one man to have a thing for a girl or a woman.
yes, maybe the woman is buying something in that convenience store, right?
Yes.
Linda. Okay. So, um, can you still remember how to pronounce these words, Linda?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have any questions?
Yeah. Do you like to buy things in the supermarket?
Yes, I do. I like to buy things in a supermarket. So now it's okay.
Um,
All right. So let us,
when when my dad to go to the supermarket, I want to go eat and I say with my dad to come to me come with my dad too.
all right. Thank you for sharing, Linda. Now let us proceed with our practice. So in order for me, if you really learn something from that, I have here a picture or pictures because these are many. And what you are going to do is you are going to tell me about this or each picture. Is that clear?
Okay.
So first
Yeah.
picture, can you name what is this?
It's a supermarket.
Wow, very good, Linda. How about this?
It's
It's a this
what
this is a place, Linda, where people are worshiping. Can you remember?
now?
This is a temple.
Temple. Oh yes.
Yes, this is a temple. How about this one?
It's a city center.
City center. Again, can
TV
you?
channel.
All right. Next one.
Wait,
What is that, Linda?
it's convenient story.
Instead of saying convenience storing, the correct answer, Linda, is convenience store. Can you say that again?
Convenience store.
All right. Very good, Linda. Keep it up. How about this one?
It's a school.
Is that a school? What are the people doing? They are?
Wait for me, teacher. Teacher, can you stop in here because I to eat my dinner and I to go to learn a lesson, a math lesson.
What?
Can you stop a lesson in here because I to eat my dinner and I learn my math lesson.
Is that okay with your parents?
Yes, I eat my dinner. I eat my dinner and I learn my math lesson.
Okay, Linda. So, you have an assignment with your math?
Yes.
For a while, Linda. Just wait for a while.
Okay.
Okay, Linda.
Yes.
Wait. I will allow you to eat your dinner.
Yes. I am.
You are hungry? Okay, so you can now eat your dinner, Linda.
Yes. Bye-bye, teacher.
Goodbye. Thank you for your time.
Bye-bye.
Eat well, Linda.